Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right away by opening bitmap/asset tracking. You want to see which maps are missing and where they used to live. Once the asset tracking window is open, scan the path column and select missing entries. This shows why links broke. Make sure to note the folder structure and the file names. You'll use that info for batch relinking. Now close any heavy viewports to speed the process and prepare to replace paths systematically. Now you perform the core relink. Select the missing or wrong maps, then choose Change Path to point them to the new folder. You can also use the search function to auto-find files by name. This is faster when file names match. Once done, preview thumbnails in asset tracking so you confirm the correct bitmaps are matched. If some files remain unmatched, use the individual replace option. This gives you precise control over problem items. Finish by hitting Reload in asset tracking and then save your scene. This writes the updated paths into the file. After saving, run a quick render preview to verify textures show up as intended. This confirms the relink sticky. If something still fails, don't panic. Check for mismatched file name case, missing extensions, or duplicate names. As a troubleshooting tip, use Replace for a single entry and browse directly to the exact file. That usually fixes stubborn, one-off failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.